So here it is. It's got this quick release vise over here. It's got a table extension over here. So I can pull this in and out. When I shut this, it then has these two which lock it extension into place. And if I want to pull those out, you go like that. On the vise over here, this is awesome mechanics. It's a quick release vise. It goes in and immediately tightens. And I put some leather right there. And then if you want to pull it out, it's a quick release. So it comes in and out, tightens up. Really an awesome little workbench. I'm excited to use it. Here's the workbench all collapsed, and the bench dogs are down in their little place, and the magnet puller, which is really a strong magnet, is down in its place. There we go. Okay. I love that sound when those magnets pull. Here we are with 4 of the bench dogs in place. They just pop in there, take a board and put it in place, and and it tightens right up. And here I've placed the board lengthwise with a little bit of extension and locked down tight so that if you need to sand it, this is going to be great. This is going to be a great addition to my shop. And I'm excited to have a vertical quick release vise too. Anyway, I'll leave in the details, I'll put the fellow's contact information who I bought the plans from.